Welcome! The Eldorado SELPAs have created this quick video tutorial to address commonly asked questions. Following the tutorial, we encourage you to explore our professional learning catalog by scanning the QR code at the bottom of the screen. Let's get started.
Go to Searches on the navigation bar and select New Search. A list of all students in the LEA will appear. If updating all, select Check, Uncheck All. If updating specific records, check the box next to the student record icon. Change the selection in the first drop-down box from Print to Make Bulk Changes. Change the selection in the second drop-down box to reflect what records you are updating. Click the Go button. The maximum allowed number of records to update at one time is 200. Check the box to the left of the field to bulk update. Select the option from the field drop-down list. Scroll to the bottom of the page. Check the acknowledgement box of the number of records being updated. Click the Update button.
Thank you for learning with us. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. On behalf of the Eldorado SELPAs, thank you for everything you do to improve the outcomes of students with disabilities.